Hello, so quickly we want to make s the solution of this equation, right? So we have a square x square minus b square y square equal to c square and z. So we want to make s the solution of this equation, right? So solution. So from this, let me write it out first. We have a square x square minus b square y square equal to c square z. Right, so first of all, have to move this to this side. So you multiply both sides with what you have here. So if you have, you do that, we have 2x, a square x square minus b square y square. You have equal to c square z. So we multiply, since you want to eliminate this, in fact, you want to take this to this side. So we'll be multiplying both sides with the inverse of this. So we do what? Plus b square y square plus b square y square. Since you have the negative of this and the positive, it will do what? It will cancel out. Hence, we have a square x square equal to c square z plus b square y square. Right, so what do we do next? You divide both sides with the coefficient of with the coefficient of x. Alright, so the coefficient of this x, and which is actually x square, is what? A square. So divide this side and this side with a square. This side divide by a square, divide by a square. So a square will cancel a square, right? So we have what? X square equal to c square z plus b square y square over what? A square, right? So what do we do next? We'll find the square root of, take square root of both sides, all right? We take the square root of both sides. And if we take the square root of both sides, we have what? Square roots. Hence, we'll be having what? We'll be having x. Because the square root of any number raised to the power 2 is that number. Right? So square root of x raised to the power 2 is, or x square square root. Square root of x square, anyone, is x. This is now equal to square root of c square z plus b square y square over a square. Yeah, so this is x is equal to this, or you can actually separate this, both numerator and denominator, and have their x, right? Which is equal to, if you want to simplify further, you have something like this. This is equal to, x is equal to c square z plus b square y square. Okay, this is the square root is for the numerator, then this one is for the denominator, s square. This is equal to a, this will give you a, right? This is equal to c square z plus b square y square all over a. So x is equal to this. This is the highest simplification you can have, right?